Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to register for the MDCAT NUMS 2024 exam. Today, I will walk you through the entire online registration process to ensure you don't miss any important step. Let's get started. First, you will need to fill out registration form online. This information is very crucial as it will appear on your admit card. So be very careful. To enter your personal information, here's how. Click on the sign up button for first time registration. Enter your full name as it appears on your SSC or O-level or 10th grade certificate. Enter your active and functional email address. Select your country code and enter a valid and correct mobile number of the applicant or parents only. Enter the CAPTCHA. Click on register or sign up button. Please make sure to register with a correct and functional mobile number and email address for future correspondence. After registration, you will receive your login and password via SMS on the provided mobile number. Note that for international mobile numbers, the password will be displayed on the screen. Next, the online registration application is divided into 5 steps. Step 1. Test Center Country. Click on Select Test Country to choose the country where you want to appear for the MDCAT NUMS. After selecting your desired country, click Select Country. Step 2. Pay fee via QuickPay or Challan. Click on Pay fee to open a new window for payment. Payment can be made via debit or credit card, invoice challan, or internet mobile app OTC. Payment via debit or credit card. Click Pay Now, enter your card details, card expiry, and CVV, and proceed by clicking Pay Now. Payment via invoice challan. Click Download Invoice, print it, and visit the nearest Askari bank to deposit the invoice. It should be electronically stamped. Payment via internet or mobile app OTC. Click How to Pay to check the payment process for online banking options. For more information, click here to see the list. Payment via debit and credit card and internet mobile app will be updated shortly. Payment through Askari Bank counters will be updated on the portal within 24 hours. Use the unique consumer QuickPay ID for payment through internet banking and bank counters. After the payment of the fee, switch to the MDCAT homepage and refresh the page to get the updated status from the bank and proceed further. Step 3. Profile CNIC image. Click on Upload Images to upload a passport-size latest photograph with a blue background. Unprofessional photographs and selfies are not allowed. Please ensure that in passport-size photo, 80% of the image is occupied by your face, both ears are visible, and the photo is taken from the front. Save the profile image. Upload a clear front side of your CNIC, B-form, NICOP, passport, and save the image. Links for the file conversions are available on the registration portal. Supported image types are JPG, JPEG, and PNG. The supported image size is less than 2 MB. After successfully uploading the images, click Back to Home. Step 4. Personal Information Test Center. Click on Update Personal Information and provide the required fields, keeping in mind that the postal address should be shorter. Choose your desired exam city or station. Please note that the candidates must select 2 unique cities or stations in order of preference for the MDCAT NUMS 2024. However, the university reserves the right to ship any candidate to another location based on seating capacity. Please ensure that your personal information and selection of the desired test city is accurate because it cannot be changed after selection. Click Save to complete the personal information test center step. Click Back to Home to complete the application. Step 5. Application status. Check the box and click Submit Application. Once you click the Submit Application button, you will see the following statement displayed on your screen. Your application is submitted. A few important notes to remember. The application shall be submitted through the online portal only. No hard copies are required. The mobile number and email provided on the registration form should be correct and functional for contact as required by the university. MDCAT NUMS 2024 registration fee details. Registration fee for exam centers in Pakistan is 5,200 rupees. Late registration fee for exam centers in Pakistan is 6,200 rupees. Registration fee for international exam centers is 32,000 rupees. Late registration fee for international exam centers is 42,000 rupees. Please note that the registration fee is non-refundable and non-transferable in any case. If you have any queries, the MDCAT NUMS help cell is open between 8:30 a.m. till 3:30 p.m. Pakistan Standard Time from Monday to Friday. You can contact us at 051 927 4812 and 051 927 4813 or email us at numsmdcat@numspark.edu.pk. That's it for a step-by-step guide on how to register for MDCAT NUMS 2024 exam.